Kanais kapekin Asubusin Keda na aime down kotoma project lo itetetelo elos kitera ikeo na Isubisi kech o district anwe jasi amechak ka district anda ichelo esekuni time abweri ongete lo epamarane kodolu katakwi aichora Asubusin akira project kaloka grow project Alex Asimwe commissioner ongete lo epamarane nyeseta cha ontebe pote tukono no Isubis adomon isirigeni lo atita ichoti lumameta chiodam kidini milioni tom na kanyuni tena kwataka isare ejasa bo iche sirigini lueponya yatakini Asubusin ara baja tukesi angadisham kosori ejasa bobongun lue dumuno kwa peloni le tacho kedimedi dioi atupene present koraida bobo MP na ngoro kukata kwi district Jessica Alupo ngesi abala ije kinangoro noikoru yesirigin lumame tacho na arai ero ikite chanti noi kotoma Isubisa kech
sebun ko na kede program lo yesirigin prono ni yesirigin mo mi dai esa na ini wape ai grant mo ko so mo mwete menya ka jo bore ai pega give them all the skills and the knowledge to qualify for the grant. Because it means, what this means, what I have been explaining is that they are not at the same state like other women. They are not. And there is no way you can force them to be the same state. Most of them returned to their villages in 2008 when there was that general disarmament in Karamoja where government recovered 40,000 guns. That's when these people managed to return to their villages. So you cannot compare them with someone who was stable in their district. And even when you go to Karamoja, I think the grants which the women should complete, the money, it should be the first category of grants. Because of the same reason. Because I'm not saying that everyone is the same thing, even when that problem impacted on us. Performance grants can also work in some isolated businesses. There are people who have matured their businesses in Katakuta market, and then the loans with low interest. You may need to tell them the interest rate, because also there are big businessmen in Katapi who can guide the women on how to benefit from these loans. You may also need to explain to people, women, why is it for women and not men? Explain so that it does not precipitate gender-based violence across the country.
Abalasi mweda ebrune project lo aduka abosho sweet anangara kinwa toto aitolota gwelda rikeche kotenan.
One is that we are going to construct or upgrade what we call common user production facilities. For example, in Katap here, if there is a place where women are gathering, let's say maybe agricultural variation, processing, storage. If there is that facility, we will construct it, put more equipment, and ensure that whoever comes with grain can access variation from that facility. We have what we call gender inclusive workplace. Here, we are going to target any workplace where women are found and they are doing business.
Project yokera iboisho nguni somoni kwape natanyule sokoni anyunye polele jare oko sokoni kote to yokare sokoni anyula ibonebe eduko kinyole pedoroni alosteisisha oya pio sokona nepanen wata ilanda eduko kila iboisitingin na ilosi josi pokili koni koku osokoni nelo losi ponye jangwelana delos kintosi kesi adolokin angor ilukumin akaisa kanyape aime down o projectalo
Aminesa na chichi na ingwala si korongetelo pamarane Helen Grace Asamo ngesi abala pota Asubusin na geono adumunu na bola nam ola palo yare taralo unye okara le bunit
Assembly soma ilo le ministwane erai bereji aribu angeso kere kata biberange ya mame diala mati se grande samoro di rere neno apupunyo ejiri ale jammo ale biri eye konyo di Keda moru la sonya ebera gola ki video a machine yaka ki video la somnyo e production ne pole e koni business around registered terera registered ibero ya to go beyond Katapi and beyond Uganda Sali lo people Ekoto na doing a business le red niche. Mera sambo rata ita mere lo inomi yemugati moibo bo keri yo lailo moibo emana libo re simple yo. Okarungon la polo ya tare lo uniet ogeti sirigi la ekonai along ema me yesimu oge o mo esimu le ba smartphone na me no madarakiro e ba ke lo le training around do so momi
eja auto e project lo ka beite chot teteroni itige e bakoro kaya eja oni ke di boro lui somaete duato to lui ponoi do de makete mami ilipiti eti ujai department ngon embassy so ko le ya ko sina che tata kanoto ngon e ka kuna e mareo
Angor, akwada rebele bon, ebe dageu ay me down a project kaloko katakwi district, kara de los kitai ilukumiti akesa kanyapem. Pato masuban kanu abu Alupo, akora kabat na akwata kaisare, osumero lotoro ma boys, primary school, kanuda, ebu wikina, atukoto na kanyet na da akutarite kwam, adiope, olapalo itomonta diop, okara lopalo. Apane da, Bobo, ikopa kinebu kutoro mabia los na itetet na pugan, kanuda aikeo na angaleu. Dilax Emi Alamu, TV is Katakwi District.